Mattia. The arrival briefing for the Stockholm arrival runway 01 left. As said on the ATIS, 01 left in use. The wind is from the northwest 5 knots, and from Tabby radar vectors for the final for runway 01 left. Final approach course 005. We have at 4 miles, we have a check altitude of 1370 feet. We'll be landing on 01 left. The configuration will be flaps 30, outer brakes on 3, and standard reverse. That gives us about 1900, I calculated 1920 meters with this weather. Do you have any questions, anything to add on it? Okay.
Launch shuttle 7206, descent flight level 120.
Level 120, no shadow 7206.
Level 120 is set.
120.
Scandinavian 2703, contact Sweden 131125.
Hello, Norway shuttle 7206 Stockholm. Descent to flight level 100 and expect vector 01 left. 100 for 01 left, no shuttle 7206.
Level 100 is set.
100 checked. Norway shuttle 7206 descend to 4000 feet. 4000, Norway shuttle 7206.
4000 feet is set.
4000.
10 Scandinavian 2636.
Speed, flaps 1.
Speed 1 mark.
For shuttle 7206, contact arrival 120.5, call sign only. 205, no shuttle 7206, hello. Hello. No shuttle 7206.
No shuttle 7206, Stockholm radar contact. No shuttle 7206, turn right heading 320 and descent to altitude 2500 feet.
Heading 320, descent correction 2500, no shuttle 7206.
Okay, 320,
No shuttle 4064 in sequence behind the company heavy.
No shuttle 4064.
Thrust flight will change speed. Checked.
No shuttle 7206, right heading 340, nuclear LS approach runway 01 left.
Heading 340, temporary LS 01 left, no shuttle 7206.
340. Checked. Sierra Sierra Alpha 005. Yeah. Good indications. Localizer glide slope armed. Checked. Localizer.
No shuttle 4064, turn right heading 270.
Right
Light
heading
slow.
270, no shuttle 4064.
Manual flight.
Okay.
Flight director.
You miss your approach 15.
Yes, that's correct. Gear down.
6 gear down.
No shuttle 4064, descent to altitude 2500 feet.
Descending 2500 feet, no shuttle 4064.
Radio altimeter.
Flaps 20.
Speed check, flaps 20.
Set speed 20 mark.
No shuttle 7206, contact tower 1185.
85, no shuttle 7206,
Hey, no.
cabin is ready.
Yes, check.
And they're seated.
Okay.
Tower North Shuttle 7206, 6 miles, 01 left.
Good afternoon, North Shuttle 7206. Wind is 340 degrees, 3 knots. Runway 01 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 01 left, North Shuttle 7206.
Okay, we're clear to land. That's
Clear
good.
to land.
And the runway. Contact. Flaps 30. Set final approach speed.
And
Landing checklist.
30. Cabin call given.
Landing check is complete.
Checklist complete.
One thousand.
1,000.
Stabilized.
Check. Clear to land.
Approaching minimums.
Contact.
Okay.
Landing.
Minimums. $50, $30, $20, $10.
Speed brake up. Reversers normal.
Manual braking.
Auto brake.
Tower goes with the North Shuttle 4064 on line at 01 left.
60 knots.
North Shuttle 4064, hello, continue approach.
2636, descend to flight level 110.
Descend level 110, Scandinavia
Flaps 1.
2636.
Speed. Flaps 1.
Speed 1 mark.
For Shuttle 7206, contact arrival 120.5, call sign only.
7205, North Shuttle 7206.
Hello.
North Shuttle 7206.
North Shuttle 7206, Stockholm radar contact. North Shuttle 7206, turn right heading 320 and descend to altitude 2,500 feet.
320, correction, 2,500 North Shuttle 7206.
Okay, 320,
North Shuttle
2500.
4064 in sequence behind the company heavy.
North Shuttle
Flaps 5
4064.
mark. Thrust flight will change speed.
Checked.
340.
Checked.
Sierra Sierra Alpha 005.
Yeah.
Good indications. Localize the glide slope out.
Checked.
Localizer.
North Shuttle 4064, turn right heading 270.
Right
Glide
heading
slope.
270, North Shuttle 4064.
Manual flight.
Okay.
Flight director.
Give me your approach 15.
Yes, that's correct. Gear down.
6 gear down.
North Shuttle 4064, descend to altitude 2,500 feet.
Descending 2,500 feet, North Shuttle 4064.
Radio altimeter.
Flaps 20.
Speed check. Flaps 20.
Set speed 20 mark.
North Shuttle 7206, contact tower 1185. Hey, no?
Cabin is ready.
Yes, check.
And they're seated.
Okay.
Tower North Shuttle 7206, 6 miles, 01. Good afternoon, North Shuttle 7206. Wind is 340 degrees, 3 knots, runway 01 left, clear to land. Clear to land, 01 left, North Shuttle 7206.
Okay, we clear to land. That's
Clear
good.
to land.
And the runway. Contact. Flaps 30. Set final approach speed.
And
Landing checklist.
30. Cabin code given. Landing check is complete.
Checklist complete.
$1,000
1,000.
stabilized.
Check.
$500.
Clear to land.
Approaching minimums.
Contact.
Okay.
Landing.
Minimums. $50, $30, $20, $10.
Speed break up. Reversers normal.
Manual braking.
Auto brake.
Tower goes with an shuttle 4064 on 901 left.
60 knots.
Shuttle 4064, hello, continue approach. Continue on shuttle 4064. Shuttle 7206, contact ground 121, decimal 925, bye-bye.
1925, on shuttle 72060. Ground on shuttle 7206, located at Yankee 6.
Shuttle 7206, good afternoon, taxi to stand 18.
18,
Exit 8 minus 3,
First
contact
right and
ground
then straight ahead.
12875.
Yep.
12875,
Just
exit 8
start
minus 3,
the
hello. Hello.
18, yep. Switch straight to the right.
Tony
Via Zulu
38,
Kilo.
boxering från plats 41 till 6.
8.
Okay, this was the flight from Bangkok to Stockholm. Thank you very much for viewing, and Matthias, Klaus, thank you very much. Juro, thank you very much for filming, and it was a nice flight. Thanks for the assistance. Thank you very much.